Wait, look!
It's an earthquake! Ah! Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Beast Boy? What is it? I was having a nap. You have to stop transforming. Look, you're causing strange changes. What? No, I didn't do that. Well, if you didn't do it, who did? Well, I don't know. Uh-oh. Let's call for help. Fizzy, Phoebe.
What is it?
You didn't put a mount in here, did you?
Nope, not me. Whoa, a Jello mountain? Cool!
I wonder what it's doing here. Oh, I don't know, but let's try and investigate it.
Good idea, Raven. Come on, let's take a closer look. Very interesting. I can't see anything obviously strange. Maybe try the heartbeat. Great idea, Phoebe. Whoa, that's super strange. What is it, Fizzy? There isn't a heartbeat, but I can hear rumbling.
Oops, sorry. That's me. I'm super hungry.
Oh, this isn't going to work.
Wait, look. There's something inside it.
Cyborg! Your tummy is rumbling again, silly.
Guys, that isn't me.
But if it isn't you, Cyborg, then what is it? Uh-oh, it's an earthquake! Ah!
Doc!
Oh, I love ducks! Where? Ah! Phew! I'm glad that stopped. Oh, is everyone all right?
Yep. Yeah, I'm alright. Quick! We haven't got much time.
Come on, everyone. Let's do this. Let's find those objects. Whoa! Everyone look! The avalanche. It's revealed something. Whoa! It's a treasure chest! Wait, what does that mean?
It means there's hidden treasure in the Jello mountain.
All right! Come on, team! Let's get discovering!
Look, everyone, over here.
Whoa! It's a diamond! But yuck! That Jello is super squishy! Ooh, so pretty! Wait, look! Over there! That little bit of Jello has a coin in it!
Quick, let's get it out.
Wow! Look at this super sticky Jello! And look! You're right, Phoebe! It is a coin! Alright, it's working! The Jello mountain is slowly deflating!
Alright, let's keep going, team. How about over here? There's gotta be something. Alright! Another coin! We're rich!
Fizzy! What's that glowing over there? It looks like the last of the hidden treasure! Quick! Get it!
Whoa! Another diamond! This one's green. Cool! I love the way the light reflects off it. Me too! It's so pretty!
Yay! We did it! We got everything out of the Jello mountain!
Talking of which, where's it gone?
Oh no! It's disappeared! But why? Well, I think we got everything the Jello Mountain wanted to give us! Thank you, Jello Mountain!
Great teamwork, everyone! Yeah, but I think it's time to, relax now. Perfect! I'll be resuming my nap then. Snaw you later, everyone!
Good one.
Thanks for watching! We hope you all have a fizzy, fantastic day! We will see you next time! Come on, Fizzy! I want to go visit the Jello Mountain!
All together now! Fizzy! Wizzy! Bo Busy Bop!